Hi, I'm Trevor Buteau. I'm a product manager here at Memfault, and I'm going to take you through a quick start on Android. Let's get started. Here in front of me, I have the Memfault web app. We're going to use that. I've got an emulated Android device. This is a Pixel 6 Pro running Android 11. And I've got a couple terminal windows here, well, tabs, I guess. And that should be enough to get started. So I'm going to create a brand new project here in the Memfault web app. It's going to ask me what my platform is. I'm going to choose Android. And I'm going to select this first option here, create a technical validation project using the Bortlight Preview APK. An APK. So actually what we're doing is we are just going to sideload the Bortlight Preview app onto my device. And that is going to allow me to do some data uploading without having to do a full build of the SDK into the whole AOSP thingamabob that I don't have time to do right now. This is supposed to be a quick start, right? So let's give my project a name, Trevor's Super Duper Quick Start for Android. I'll create that project. Let's see what I get. Okay. Set up project. Get up and running on Memfault. You're a few short steps away. Great. Each step on this page should only take a few minutes. I like the sound of that. Hey, I already did something. I created a project. Let's see, just curious, what does this say? Okay, we've included the project key and all relevant code snippets in the rest of the guide. If I need it later, I can always find it in settings. Interesting, okay. What's the first thing I actually have to do now that I have my project? Install the APK. All right. Okay. Enable ADB access on my Android device. Ensure that ADB is installed. I guess they mean on my computer. My computer here. It is. If I haven't done that before, they've given me a link. Great. To use ADB with a device connected over USB, I have to enable USB debugging under developer options. Yes, this tells me how to do it. Enable developer options, usually by tapping the build version 10 or more times. Let's go do that now. Here I have my Android device. I'm going to go to the settings and go to about my device. And I'm going to start tapping or clicking that build number. Hooray, I'm now a developer. Amazing. All right, connect the device to your computer. Well, if you're paying attention, you'll notice that I am using an emulated device, so it is sort of by default connected to my computer. But I can verify that it's connected by executing this command, ADB devices, from my Android SDK platform tools ADB directory. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Let's make sure everything looks like it's wired up properly. I've got your path may vary a little bit here, but I know here on my machine, this is where I have my platform tools. So we're going to say ADB devices. Yep, okay. It says it sees a device. That's probably a good thing. All right, so I feel like I've done step 1 and step 2. What's step 3? Run the install script. Download the Bortlight release.zip file and extract to a folder. Okay, boom. Yeah, I mean it is down there. So yeah, okay, great. Let us, well, it's extracted to a folder. Now what do I do? I'll navigate to the Bortlight folder that I extracted and run the following command. Okay, I'll just copy it now. I think I can find the Bortlight folder. Let's do Bort. Yeah, looks like it completes. Okay, I'm in there. Let's run this command. It did say, I think, yeah, the optional S argument to configure a custom device identifier. Okay, I can give my device a name here that for the purposes of this quick start can help me differentiate it from other devices if I want to do this more than once. We'll call this Trev's Pixel 6 Pro. That looks pretty successful to me. Finished installing Port Lite. Yeah, I like the sound of that. Okay. Yeah, Port Lite is now installed and enabled. Fantastic. I'm going to mark that as done. Hello, Memfault. Hello, Memfault. Let's upload my first data to Memfault. Okay, Port Lite is installed with developer mode enabled by default, meaning that all data collected will be uploaded immediately. Great. To trigger another metrics upload, okay, I've got another command here. I'll copy that. And I'm just going to paste that in and okay, that looks promising. Love a good result equals 0. Consider enabling server-side developer mode as well. Maybe I don't know what that is, but I guess I'll consider it. Shouldn't be necessary for the purpose of our demo today. Okay, well, I'm rocking and rolling here. I got a couple more steps to go, it looks like. Looks like I have a choice: investigate a crash, examine a device, or monitor the fleet. I'm kind of a left to right kind of person, so I'm going to start over here with investigate a crash. Hopefully my device isn't too crashy. Yeah, okay, so let's make a crash. Yes, let's break some stuff. Let's crash an application. Let's crash a JVM application. They've given me a little shell command here that I can use. Looks like that's going to crash the messaging app. Let's do it. Okay, hopefully that did it. Reboot the device. Okay, I don't think I need to copy that. I think I can remember that one in my head. ADB reboot. ADB reboot. Okay, took a second. Let's see. We're going to reboot here. Moment of truth. I have seen this take a couple seconds sometimes, so we get, oh, okay, there we go. All right. It's rebooting. I assume it will finish. Navigate to the Integration Hub processing log and look for the reboot event. It can take up to 5 minutes for it to appear. Well, let's see. Processing log. Okay, there's definitely stuff here. I'm getting Dropbox Manager entries, custom data recordings, MAR files. This is great. Yeah, there's a bunch here. I don't see the reboot event, but that was a minute ago. It did say it could come in up to 5 minutes. Okay, there's a refresh button, but it also says live mode, so maybe I don't even need to hit refresh. Ooh, that would be nice. Well, you know what? I'm an impatient kind of person, and we're doing a demo here, so I'm going to hit the refresh button, and let's see. Did we get anything? Oh, yeah, I blinked and I missed it. There's now 41 records. So yeah, sure enough, the reboot event is in here. Man, we're getting a lot of data. Okay, cool. Yeah, there's my reboot event. Okay, cool. What were we doing? We were investigating a crash. We saw it on the processing log. Okay, now navigate to the issues page in the sidebar to see the issue. Let's go to the issues page. Ooh, yes, shell-induced crash. Uh-huh. Yeah, that sounds right. Okay. Yep, I mean, it's definitely a crash. Okay, cool. So I'm seeing issues. All right, I'm satisfied. Let me examine a device. Make sure that all the data you've uploaded so far is appearing on your devices detail page. Yes, please. Navigate to the Fleet Devices page and select the device reporting in to view its device timeline. Yeah, let's do that. What will I see when I'm there? Battery metrics in high resolution. That's cool. Sounds very cool. Click on the Traces tab to see the trace I created earlier when the device crashed. Reboots tab. Maybe there'll be log files too. I don't know. It looks like maybe there's some caveats there. Let's check it out. Let's go to Fleet Devices. There's my device. And okay, I mean, definitely a device timeline. Let me zoom in a little bit here on this section, just that it's zoomed in a bit more. Ooh, yeah, I'm getting a few data points here. Let me zoom in even further. Yeah, there we go. There we go. This is nice. Okay. I mean, there's not a lot of data here. Obviously, my device has only been running for a few minutes. I don't have a ton. But yeah, man, I'm getting battery stats, connectivity, storage, network, sysprops, lots of good stuff. What was that high resolution telemetry here? Let's see what I get in here. Oh yeah, there's all my traces. I noted that. My reboot from before. That's cool. Okay. Oh, ooh, yeah, I'm getting some pretty granular battery usage percent per hour data. I like that. Okay, we've got CPU data, jobs, Wi-Fi stuff. Wow, this is cool. I like this. All right. Anything else I should check out? Oh yeah. Yeah, I mentioned seeing the traces and the reboots and that kind of stuff. Let me just pop back over and see that that's all there. Traces. Oh yeah. Yep. All these traces associated with that. Reboots. Yep. Okay. There's that reboot. Looks like other stuff too, but for now, let's keep moving. Okay. Oh, we did that. Right. Oh, glad it's helping me keep track of what I've already done. Okay. Examine a device. I'm going to mark that as done. And last thing here, monitor the fleet. See your data in built-in dashboard. Ooh, okay. This looks simple. Verify that monitoring is working. Check that data from your device appears in the following built-in dashboards. Overview, metrics, stability, and connectivity. Okay, no link to that one, but looks like dashboards are right here on top. That wasn't hard. Okay, well, overview, metrics, connectivity, and stability. Let's see, am I getting data in here? Okay, I'm seeing some stuff. I'm also seeing some stuff blank here. Maybe what I've done here is part of this little initial like upload doesn't give me enough data to do that. I don't know. Okay, am I seeing any metrics here? Yep, I'm seeing some disk space, some reboots. Okay. Yeah, what about connectivity? Yep, okay. Seeing some connection, uptime percentages, seeing stability stuff. It says it's processing. I'm also looking at like P50s here. Maybe is better for a slightly larger population of devices, but I do see reboot reasons by software version issues here. Okay, so I can dig into this a little bit more. Links to maybe some of these documentation links will help explain what I'm supposed to see here. Nifty, but I'm definitely getting some data here. It's just from one device, but I could go through this process more and maybe like start aggregating data from a bunch of devices. I'm going to mark that as done. Well, yeah, I'd say that was a pretty quick start. That is the Memfault QuickStart for Android. Thanks for watching.